Hello everyone. In this video we will see that how we can create a separate territory for data for any sales rep. So to create a territory, go to FSM. Under FSM, click on territory. So once you click on territory, it will show the things which are created for lead and account module. So let's suppose you want to create a territory for account module. So in front of account module drop down, click on the plus icon. Enter the name of a territory. In this case, let's suppose I'm creating a territory for this user. Under territory contact, select that particular person. In other contact, select the second person who will be also able to view the data. Under rule logic, here you need to apply the conditions on which the data will be divided or visible. So here, let's suppose I'm creating account source is equals to Sandeep. So now in this case, what will happen? Any account or inquiry which will enter in the system and have account source of Sandeep Sharma, only that inquiry will be visible to Sandeep. So for that, both conditions should be met. Country should be India and the account source should be Sandeep Sharma in the inquiry when adding in the account, and then click on save button. So this is how a territory can be created for a person. And once territory has been created, under the assign, you will be able to see all those accounts which are or inquiries which are assigned to Sandeep. Currently, there are no accounts or inquiry data is visible here. Thank you.